This is the book of Joel, chapter 3, verse 9. Proclaim ye this amongst the Gentiles, prepare war. Wake up the mighty man, let all the men of war draw near. This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, and verse 7. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. Be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end shall not be yet. Mark 13 and verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in divers places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning of sorrows. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Last Wakadash, the Old Tongue, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out from the Times of Israel.com by FAP and TOI staff as of December the 4th, 2023 at 12:25 a.m. Because you know the time zones are kind of different from North America over there in Western Asia. And it reads, U.S. destroyer shoots down drones as attacks from Yemen hits Red Sea shipping. And keep this in mind, I did earlier today, I did a sit-down lesson when you had the Pentagon. You know, they recently reported that the U.S. Vessels and commercial vessels, you know, they was targeted by the recent attacks from the Houthi rebels, which is a pro-Iranian ally group, as they've been targeting over there in the Red Sea and different parts over that area. They've been targeting Israel and the United States as well too. So keep that in mind. It says the U.S. destroyer shoots down drones as attacks from Yemen hits Red Sea shipping. And the American destroyer shot down multiple drones today while assisting commercial ships in the Red Sea that were targeted by attacks from Houthis controlled areas in Yemen. The U.S. Control Command CENTCOM says today there were 4 attacks against 3 separate commercial vessels operating in the international waters in the southern Red Sea. CENTCOM says in a statement the 3 vessels are connected to 14 separate nations. It says the Arleigh Burke class destroyer, the USS Carney, reported to the distress call for the ships and provided assistance and shot down 3 drones that were heading for the warship during the day, the statement says. Load it back up. Once again, this is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 7, and it reads again. And when ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, be ye not troubled. Right, wars and rumors of wars was taking place over there in the southern part of the Red Sea with the recent attacks from the pro-Iranian, which is the Houthi rebels, which is their original location over there in Yemen, and they targeting the United States Army and ships and vessels over there, right along with the Israeli IDF vessels over there as well too, as they've been doing ramping up airstrikes and drone strikes over there in that area. So the situation is increasing and it's intensifying over there in that area. And this is Mark 13 and verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation. Right, nation shall rise against nation. Armies of nations rising up against one another. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. Right, just like it says in the book of Mark, chapter 3 and verse 25. If a kingdom be divided against itself, that kingdom cannot stand. Mark 3 and verse 25. And if a house be divided against itself, the house cannot stand. Mark 13 and verse 8. Read it again for edification's sake. Mark 13 and verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning of sorrows. So with that, once again, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from timesofisrael.com as of December the 4th, 2023 at 12:25 a.m. Published by AFP and TOI staff from the timesofisrael.com, and it reads again from the live blog of Sunday, December the 3rd, 2023, and it reads again, U.S. destroyer shoots down drones as attacks from Yemen hits Red Sea shipping. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders Wa'akim Wa'akwaf. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashon Kodash, the Holy Tongue. And until next time, I will say Shalom.